Welcome back, everybody. Today, I'm going to teach you how to change your workspace name on Asana. This is particularly useful when your team rebrands, your project scope changes, or you simply want to better organize your workspaces with clearer naming conventions. Let's walk through the process step by step. First, you'll need to head over to the Asana web app. Once you're logged in and viewing your dashboard, direct your attention to the bottom left corner of the screen where you'll see your profile photo. Click on it, and from the account section that appears, select the specific workspace you want to rename. This step ensures you're working within the correct workspace, especially if you manage multiple teams or projects. After you've selected your workspace, click your profile photo again in that same bottom left corner. This time a drop-down menu will appear with several options. Look for and select Admin Console from this menu. The Admin Console is where you'll have access to all the administrative controls for your workspace, including the ability to modify its name and other important settings. Once you're inside the Admin Console, navigate to the left side menu and click on Settings. This section houses all the core configuration options for your workspace. Within the Settings section, you'll find a field clearly labeled Workspace Name. This is exactly what we're looking for. The field will display your current workspace name, making it easy to identify. Now simply click into the Workspace Name field and type your new desired workspace name. Choose something that clearly represents your team, project, or organization to make navigation easier for all members. After you've entered the new name, look for the Save Changes button and click it to apply your update. This action commits the new name to your workspace settings. Finally, refresh your Asana page to confirm that the new workspace name is now displayed throughout your account. You should see the updated name reflected in the workspace selector and across all relevant areas of the interface. This ensures that everyone in your workspace will see the new name moving forward. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.